All right, guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And today I'm going to be teaching us how to earn without being employed as a graduate of any university. Yes, how to earn without being employed as a graduate of any university. My name is Markin Carlo, the video god. And without further ado, let's get started. All right, so before I continue, the employment rate in Nigeria is getting high. So many persons are graduating every year, but there are no jobs. And of recently, I saw in a news where our president said there's no longer job in Nigeria. Everybody should look for what to do, learn a skill, blah 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 blah. And then so many persons are frustrated. So many persons are going into skills that will not even pay them. But in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can earn without being employed as a graduate of any university. So let's continue. Um, all right, so let's continue. Firstly, if you don't believe this will work, then you don't need this webinar. This is the best time to exit. If you don't believe that you can actually make money after watching this video, then this is the best time to exit. You don't need this webinar. You don't need it at all. Although this webinar is going to be short, but then if you don't believe this will work, you can just kindly leave now that is still early so that you don't waste your time. But if you believe that this would work for you and that you can earn while being unemployed, while just sitting at home as a Nigerian graduate, then we can continue immediately. So I don't want this webinar to be a long one. I want it to be very short so that we can get to go about our daily activities. All right, so number one, I would love to ask, what course did you study in school? That's the first thing. Yes, I know you'll be hearing stuff like learn skill, learn high income skill like video ad, learn high income skill like let's say copywriting, learn high income skills like sales funnel building, which is actually great. They are all great. But then I want you to know that you can also earn from that particular course that you studied in school. Yes, you can earn from that particular course you studied in school. So the first question I want to ask you is this: what course did you study in school? Is it banking and finance? Is it medicine? What course actually did you study in school? If you have a notepad with you or a notebook with you, you can just write down number one. This is the course I studied in school. What course did you study in school? It is very important. This is the first thing you need to know. And this is why you don't need to start jumping classes in school because right now you are going to be needing the knowledge that you actually learned while you were in school. Yes. So the number one question is this: what course did you study in school? Then number two, that course you study in school, what pressing need is there, or what is the pressing need in that your field of study? Let's get an instance, or let me give an example. Take for instance, you studied medicine, and right now we have issues of let's say persons with diabetes. You get persons with diabetes. That is just an example of a pressing need in your field of study. So first of all, look for write down the course you studied in school. Then second of all, look for a pressing need in that your field of study. Something that is very needed, something that Nigerians want in that field of study. If you study banking and finance, it can be something as simple as how to open an account from your house with your phone without going to the bank. Doesn't have to be something so deep, just something that is needed in your field of study, a pressing need. Whatsoever you studied, that's the number one. Look for what, write down what you studied in school. Then second is look for a pressing need in that field of study. So if it's law, what is that thing that everybody wants in that your field of study, which is law? What is that thing that a normal Nigerian can pay for? That is the second thing. Then the third thing is this: research how pressing the need for the solution is. Research how pressing the need for the solution is. This is a very, very important step to take so that you don't waste your time after everything. After, let's say, maybe you've discovered a pressing need you feel that persons would actually need, and then you don't know that they don't even need it. You get. So like I said, number two, you look for a pressing need. Then number three is going to tell you if truly this need is pressing, if truly the need for the solution is actually there. You get. And you can do this with Google. So you can just carry your phone and search out pressing needs in your field of study. So it can be pressing needs, or it can be problems in medicine, or problems under medicine in Nigeria, problems under banking finance in Nigeria. You get. So you can research how pressing the need for whatsoever solution you want to create is. Now you can do this with Google or Facebook groups. Sorry, I didn't type that completely. So you can just go to Facebook group, any Facebook group with a large number of Nigerians, and ask questions there. What do you feel? You can just ask a simple question like, what do you feel is the need for this particular part of for this particular problem? You get. Or would you guys really need this particular solution? Stuff like that. It can be question and answer with a particular set of persons in a particular place. Yeah, you can go to WhatsApp. You can use a WhatsApp TV to just ask a question. You get. Do you think this would sell if I actually create a solution for this under your field of study? So let me, I like using medicine as an instance. So let's say you studied medicine in school, and then diabetes is a pressing need. Persons are looking for the solution of diabetes as it stands right now in the country. And then when you research how pressing the need for the solution of diabetes is, the percentage is like, let me say 70%, 80%. Now, this actually means that there is money in that particular place. Now, I'm going to show you what I mean by there is money in that particular place. Now, the next thing is this: create a solution for the problem. Now, this is where the money is. This is where the money is. So, the first thing you need to do is, like I said earlier on, what course did you study in school? Write it down in your book. The second is look for a pressing need in that your field of study, something very needed. You get. So it's just as simple as looking for a problem in your field of study, something that a normal Nigerian can pay for in your field of study. Then the next one is research how pressing the need for the solution is. You can do that with asking Google. You can do that with asking persons on Facebook groups. You can do that with normal question and answer sections with particular set of persons. It can be on WhatsApp. It can be on Twitter. It can be anywhere. It can be a one-on-one stuff, a real life, question and answer section. And then once you've done that, create solution for the problem. You get. So let me use medicine as an instance, as I've always done. So let's say diabetes is a very big problem in Nigeria that persons want or need a solution for it. Just create a solution for how it can just be how to cure diabetes in 24 hours, how to cure diabetes in 7 days, how to cure diabetes in 3 days. And now the fun part of it is you don't even need to be the creator of this solution. Yeah, you can just look for somebody that will create the solution, or you can look for solution that is already on ground and affiliate for it. And what do I mean by affiliating for it? It simply means selling the solution for a particular amount of money that you and the owner of the solution has bargained for. That is the simple. That's just the simple term or meaning of affiliate. Yeah, affiliating for a product. It's just affiliate marketing. You selling the product for the creator of the solution for a particular amount of money that both of you have bargained for. You get. So you don't need to be the creator of the solution of the problem. Sorry, don't need to be the creator of the solution. All you just need to do is look for the solution and then affiliate for it. And then you can make money from your house. From your house. Now, when I mean solution, I don't mean going to mix herbs together. Let's say you want to create a solution for diabetes. I don't mean you mixing herbs together. It can be a solution like an ebook. I can teach you how to write ebook after if you are interested, you can just DM me after you watch this particular video. I'm going to drop a link after this video where you can just click and then DM me. It can be an ebook, you just writing down a solution on how to solve this problem. It can be you recording yourself on mixing this particular, let's say it's something that needs mixing. It can be you recording yourself mixing this particular stuff. You get, showing them how to mix it, showing them what to get and how to mix it for them to get the solution. You get. So if it's something like let's say banking and finance, and it's just a solution as little as how to create account from your home, you can just use your phone, share your screen, do a screen record on how to create account from your house and sell the solution for a particular amount of money. That is just it. That is just it. As simple as that. And now, for you to make more money, you just need to set up systems for sales automation. Now, what is sales automation? Sales automation is simply you selling without you being there. You get, so it's just you selling without you being there. So you don't have to be there for you to actually sell. All you need to do is just set it up and then go to bed and it will sell for you. And how can you do that? It's very simple. Number one, you set up an ad system, just you running ads. Now, what do we mean by running ads? Is you showing your product or services to a particular set of persons that would need these solutions. Yeah, persons that have the money to buy this solution, persons that has the potential to buy the solution. So you showing this product to them and them paying you for the product. You get, with money and then collecting your product in exchange for their money. That is just what ad means. And then the next thing you are going to need is a sales funnel. And a sales funnel is just like a website stuff where you just need to create everything, every detail they will need if they want to pay, and everything they will need to know about the solution that you've created for them. As simple as that. Now, I can help you set up this sales automation. I can help you do everything if you can just click the link after watching this video. It is not hard. Although, if you want to learn it by yourself, I can also show you how to do it, and then you can even use it to make money by helping other persons, like you do it for them and then just make your money from there. As simple as that. So number 6, we are getting to the last part, which is number 7. Number 6, pick a social media platform and dominate it. Now, this is what I mean. You have different social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and the likes. Now, pick a particular social media platform and dominate it. Now, here is why. When you're running ad and persons are seeing your names, they will want to go and check you out on social media platforms. Now, when they check you out there, they expect to see a relatable content as regards to what you are selling to them. You get. Now, this is the goal. When they search for your name, they should see something that is relatable to what you are selling to them. You get. So if you are selling a cure for diabetes and they are searching your name on social media platform, it will not be nice for them to come and see you catching cruise on Twitter or catching cruise on Facebook. You get. So it would be nice for them to now search your name and then now discover that, oh, actually, this guy is good when it comes to medicine. This guy is good when it comes to banking and finance. This guy is good when it comes to this particular thing. You get. So pick a social media platform. If it's video content, it can be Instagram. If it's write-up, it can be Twitter. Although I can show you how to grow your Twitter account from 0 to wheresoever you want to grow it to. It can be 20K followers, it can be 10K followers, it can be 5K followers. You can just click the link after watching this video for me to show you how to do that. It's as simple as A, B, C. All right. So lastly, like I said earlier, I'm not going to be wasting your time. For those whose course don't have pressing needs, just look for a course with one and cash out from it. It's not hard. You get. So I know we have so many stupid courses in Nigeria, in Nigeria schooling system. Courses that when you just watch this video, you just know that more this one will be for me. It's not hard. This life is not hard. Just look for something that works and go for it. You get. So if your course does not have a pressing need or something that persons in an average Nigerian can buy, all you need to do is just look for something or look for a problem that normal Nigerian can buy, something that they need, not what they want, what they need. Now, want and need are two different things. Somebody can just want something and then not get it, but then somebody would need something and get it. Need is something that someone can borrow for. Want is something that someone might not borrow for. You get. So the thing is this: if your course is something that you cannot, you know, does not have a pressing need, you can just look for a course with one, get into it. Follow these steps that I just gave you, these 5 or 6 steps that I just gave you, which is number one, look for discover the course, what the course is all about. Number two, look for a pressing need in that particular course, which is a problem that a normal Nigerian would want a solution to. Then thirdly, research how pressing the need for the solution is. You can do that with Google, you can do that with Facebook group and question and answer sections. I've explained that already. And then the fourth one is creating a solution for the problem. And remember, I said you don't need to be the creator of the solution. You can just affiliate for it. And affiliating for it simply means selling the solution for the creator and having a particular amount after you've helped this person sell the solution. And the solution doesn't have to be a real life stuff. It can be a digital solution, like an ebook, a video course, an audio course, something like that. And I can teach you how to do that if you don't know how to. Now, the next one is setting up system for sales automation. I already stated that, where you need to run ads, where you need to have a sales funnel, and where you need to just sit down at home and then make your money. And I can help you do this and then also teach you on how to help others do it so you can cash out from them too. Then number 6, I talked about picking a social media platform and dominating it so that whenever persons are looking for your name, when they see your ad, they're going to be seeing relatable content so that they can pay you. It makes paying easier for you. And then lastly, look for a course that has pressing needs, something that people can buy for if your course do not have pressing needs. So that is that about how you can earn without being employed from your house. If you learned from this video, then I think I should get a subscribe by now in my YouTube channel. And then if you need any of the problems, or if you need solution to any of the problems I mentioned in this particular webinar, you can just click the link below this video. You can click the link in the comment section, reach out to me, and then we get to talk. I'm Akin Kalu, signing out. Peace.